Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English with Emma and Jack. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. It is wonderful to have you here with us today.
Jack, you look very relaxed. Did you have a good weekend?
I did, thanks. It was very quiet. I just stayed at home, drank coffee, and read a book. What about you?
Oh, my weekend was very different. I went back to my hometown to visit my parents.
That sounds nice. Was it busy?
Very busy. My mom cooked a big dinner and all my cousins came over. The house was full of people. It was loud, but it was fun.
It sounds like you had a real family weekend. And actually, Emma, that is our topic for today.
Yes, today we are going to talk about family.
Now, everyone knows the basic words like mother and father, but today we want to help you go deeper.
Exactly. Can you answer questions like, who do you look like? Or, is your family strict? Or, do you have any siblings?
By the end of this video, you will be able to answer these questions easily and naturally.
But before we start, if you want to improve your English every week, please hit that subscribe button right now.
And click the like button if you are ready to talk about your family. It really helps our channel.
Are you ready, Jack?
I'm ready. Let's get started. So, Emma, we know you visited your family this weekend, but tell me, do you have a big family?
Yes, I think so. There are 5 people in my family. My dad, my mom, my 2 older brothers, and me.
5 people. That is a nice size. So you have 2 brothers?
Yes. Do you have any brothers or sisters, Jack? Or should I ask, do you have any siblings?
Ah, siblings. That is a great word.
Yes. Siblings just means brothers and sisters. It is a very useful word. So, Jack, do you have any siblings?
No, I don't. I have 0 siblings.
0? So it's just you?
That's right. I am an only child.
Only child. That means you have no brothers and no sisters, right?
Exactly. Just me and my parents. It was very quiet in my house when I grew up.
Is it lonely to be an only child?
Sometimes, but I got all the presents at Christmas. What about you? Is it fun to have siblings?
It is fun, but it is also noisy. My brothers liked to play loud music, but now we are good friends.
That's nice. Now, tell me about your parents. What are they like?
Well, my dad is a hardworking man. He's a teacher. He teaches math at a high school.
A math teacher. Is he strict?
A little bit. Strict means he has rules, right? So, yes, he wants us to do our homework, but he's also very funny.
Funny?
Yes, he tells jokes every day. He likes to make us laugh. And in his free time, he loves to watch football. He shouts at the TV.
That sounds like a normal dad. And what about your mom?
My mom is very different. She's a nurse. She's very calm and kind.
Does she have any hobbies?
Yes, she loves gardening. She grows beautiful flowers in our garden.
That sounds lovely. So, Emma, big question. Who do you look like? Do you look like your mom or your dad?
Everyone says I look like my mom. We have the same eyes and the same smile. What about you, Jack? Tell me about your parents.
My dad is a doctor, and my mom is an artist. She paints pictures.
Wow, an artist. Do you look like her?
No, I look like my dad. We are both tall, and we have the same nose.
So we talked about parents and siblings, but what about your extended family?
You mean grandparents, aunts, and uncles?
Yes, we call them relatives. Do you see your relatives often?
Not very often. My grandparents live far away, but I see them on holidays, like Christmas.
Do you like your grandparents?
I love them. My grandmother always makes cookies for me. She spoils me.
Spoils? What does that mean?
It means she gives me everything I want, Candy, cookies, toys. She treats me like a prince.
That is so sweet. Grandparents are the best. I live near my aunt and uncle, so I see my cousins a lot.
Cousins are the children of your aunt and uncle, right?
Yes, I have 3 cousins. We are the same age, so we are like best friends. We grew up together.
That is lucky. Having cousins nearby is great.
So, Jack, when your family is together, what do you usually do? How do you spend time together?
Well, we have one big rule in my house: Sunday dinner.
Sunday dinner?
Yes, every Sunday night we eat dinner together. My dad usually cooks chicken or beef, and the rule is no phones.
No phones at the table?
No phones, no texting, just talking. We talk about our week, our work, everything.
That is a fantastic tradition. It is important to talk face to face.
It is. What about your family? What do you do?
We love movies, so Friday night is movie night. We make popcorn, sit on the big sofa, and watch a comedy.
That sounds fun. Do you fight about which movie to watch?
Oh, yes. My brother wants action movies, my dad wants sports, and I want cartoons. But we usually choose a comedy so everyone can laugh.
That sounds like a happy family.
It is. We are loud, but we are happy.
That was a great conversation, Jack. We talked about so many things.
We did, but we also used 8 very important words. If you want to talk about your family clearly, you need to know these words.
Let's look at them one by one. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Word number 1 is siblings.
Remember, siblings is just a faster way to say brothers and sisters. Instead of saying, I have 2 brothers and 1 sister, you can simply say, I have 3 siblings.
Word number 2 is only child.
If you have 0 siblings, you are an only child, just you and your parents. Example, Jack has no brothers or sisters. He is an only child.
Word number 3 describes appearance, look like.
Use this when faces are similar. If people say, you look like your dad, it means you have the same face or eyes as him. Example, she is tall and has blonde hair. She looks like her mother.
Number 4 is about rules, strict.
A strict parent has many rules. Do your homework, clean your room, no phone. Example, my dad is strict about bedtime. I must sleep at 9 p.m.
Number 5 is the opposite, funny.
A funny person makes you laugh. They tell jokes. Example, my uncle is very funny. He always makes me smile.
Now number 6 is a new word we used, relatives.
Your relatives are your extended family. They are the people who do not live in your house, like your grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins. Example, all my relatives came to my birthday party.
Number 7 is a fun verb, spoil.
To spoil someone means to give them everything they want, like candy or toys. Grandparents often spoil their grandchildren. Example, my grandmother spoils me with chocolate cookies.
And finally, number 8, spend time.
This means doing things together. Example, I like to spend time with my family watching movies.
So we have siblings, only child, look like, strict, funny, relatives, spoil, and spend time.
These words are simple but very powerful.
Now, let's see how to use them in a real conversation. Imagine you meet a new friend in the park.
Let's practice.
Okay, Jack, we practiced the definitions. Now let's use the words in a real situation.
Great! Let's pretend we're sitting in a park having coffee. You are showing me photos from your weekend.
And you ask me questions about the people in the photos.
Easy. Let's go. Action. The weather is perfect for coffee today, isn't it?
It really is. I love weekends.
Hey, what are you looking at on your phone? You look very happy.
Oh, I'm just looking at the photos from my family dinner yesterday. Look at this one.
Wow, that is a lot of people. Are these all your siblings?
No. I only have 2 siblings, my 2 brothers here. The other people are my relatives. That is my aunt, my uncle, and my cousins.
Ah, I see. Who is the older lady holding the big cake?
That is my grandmother.
She looks very kind.
She is. She loves to spoil us. She brought 3 cakes for dessert.
3 cakes? Wow, she really spoils you. And who is the man standing next to her? He looks a bit serious. Is he strict?
That is my dad. He looks serious in photos, but he is actually very funny. He was telling a joke when I took this picture.
I can see that now. Your brother is laughing. By the way, your brother looks just like you.
Really? You think we look like each other?
Yes, you have the same smile.
That's nice. We get along very well. We love to spend time together playing music.
That sounds fun. I wish I had a big family like this.
Oh, right. I forgot. You're an only child, right?
Yes, my family dinners are much quieter. Just me and my parents. No cousins. No chaos.
Well, next time my grandmother makes 3 cakes, I will invite you.
Please do. I love cake. And cut. That was fun, Emma.
It was. Did you hear how we used the new words?
Yes, we used siblings, relatives, spoil, strict, funny, look like, and only child.
And notice how Jack asked questions. Who is the lady? Is he strict? Do you look like him?
These are simple questions, but they keep the conversation going.
So find a photo on your phone right now and practice describing the people in it.
Tell your friend, "This is my mom, she is funny," or "This is my uncle, he spoils me."
Exactly. Practice makes perfect.
Well done, everyone. You see, talking about your family is not difficult.
Exactly. You don't need big, complicated words. Just tell people who is in your family and what they are like. Simple is best.
And remember, keep practicing the new words we learned today. Siblings, relatives, look like, strict, and spoil. Try to use them every day.
Now, before we say goodbye, we want to hear from you. Here is our question of the day.
It is very simple. We want to know, do you have a big family or a small family?
You can write in the comments, "I have a big family," or "I have a small family."
And if you want to write more, answer this question. Who do you look like? Do you look like your mom or your dad?
We read every single comment, so please write to us. We love getting to know our students.
If you liked this easy lesson, please give us a like. Thumbs up. It helps YouTube show our video to more people.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss a lesson with Emma and Jack.
Thank you for spending your time with us today. Have a wonderful week with your family.
See you next time. Bye.
Goodbye, everyone.